Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Roblox Moments. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application, and Roblox Moments is a feature that allows us to share our moments on Roblox. Basically, it's like Reels or Short on YouTube, but it's a Roblox version. You can go to the more options first, and then you're going to open the moments. Okay, and hold on. Wait, it's still loading, guys. And here you're gonna share your best moment on Roblox. You can record your game and then upload. You can record the gameplay and then you can upload it to the Roblox moments and share it to the other players. Okay, the Roblox moment is like this, guys. You can post a photo or video, and these are the moments from the other creators. You can like, and you can also share like this. And if you want to upload your moment, you can click on this plus icon, and I'm going to allow to access my captures. Okay, these are the photos I have captured while I'm playing a game on Roblox. You can also share your video, but I haven't captured any videos yet. So I'm just going to upload one of my photos. I'm going to upload this photo. We can click on continue, and then you can add music to make it more captivating. I'm just going to pick random music. Okay, and you can select the part of the music that you want to use. Click on done, and then you can click on continue. Okay, and you can describe your moment. You can add caption for your moment. I'm going to caption it jolly crab fish it. Okay, and then we can click on post, and then the moment will be published. Okay, and you can also open the trending moments. And okay guys, that's how you can join the Roblox moments. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.